Good day, everybody. Let me just open my video. Why is the camera so like this? So bad. Okay, cool. So, good day, everybody. This is the president of Pareon C4 GTs. I just want to talk about our trailblazer, the Pareon C2 GT-Sport, the black machine, the 2WD. So, okay, right now I'm gonna go into the pictures now. I'm gonna go into the pictures. I'm gonna show you the pictures of my C2 GT-Sport and the videos of it performing. So just stay tuned and wait for me. I gotta share my screen now. Um, okay, so uh, they just wait for me. Okay, I'm gonna share the whole screen. I'm gonna share the whole screen. So here we're gonna talk about the Pareon C2 GT-Sport, our trailblazer, the machine. So let us quickly go to the pictures of the Pareon C4 GT-Sport, which are found on the Toshiba. So, what I want to talk about mostly is the Pareon, the vehicle itself. Um, okay, where is it? Where is it? Okay, there we go. Excuse me for that. So as you can see, the screen is opening. I'm opening the picture. I'm gonna talk about the Pareon C2 GT-Sport. As you can see here, yeah, there's my Pareon. There's my little boy. As you can see, there's got a sunroof. There's got nice headlights from a BMW 320 1990s model. So this is completely a homemade machine, a homemade vehicle, a homemade car, made by Paris Nzima, the founder of Pareon C4 GTs. So right now, I want us to quickly look at both of them. As you can see, there he is standing next to his machine, next to his pride and joy. Of course, that's the Trailblazer. The off-road machine is the 2WD powered by a GY 650cc, which gives it something like 10 horsepower, of which is not that bad because it's in the family of ATVs. So let's just quickly navigate to the other pictures of the Trailblazer so that I can elaborate. Okay, we did have some videos of the Trailblazer. I know that you are more than ready to see the videos of it. I'm sure you also want to ask me about the pictures of it. Why? Can you show us the picture of this machine running on track or in the bush or on terrains, in the mud? No, I don't have videos of this machine running on the streets. Not yet. I'm still gonna make the videos of it, but for now, I'm still making an introduction of my C2 GT Sport. So